just came on here just to tell you that this is how my smile looked, before pop on veneers. But I was sort of embarrassed about my smile. Wouldn't laugh all with that the whole time when I'm taking pictures and everything else. But after pop on veneers, things just really looked up for me. I'm finna show you. After pop on veneers, oh, that fantastic, beautiful smile is back. I just want to say thank you. No gaps at the top, fit perfect. Just want to say thank you. Pop on veneers, greatest thing that could have happened to me.